welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christina. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down there so that you can help me to grow this little channel of mine. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm back at it again with another makeup look. So I decided to go for a no foundation glam look because I am not yet able to wear any foundation because I just had my acne breakout and I'm still waiting them to heal. And I also went to derm.
So let's start. First things first is to tone my face using cotton pads from Miniso. I'm just going to do this to remove the excess dirt. Next is to prime my face using this Maybelline Pore Eraser. And I'm going to spread all over my face. So for my base, I'm going to use the Bello Tinted Sunscreen, and this is my favorite product as of now because I know it has a sheer coverage but it makes your skin look so fresh. That's why I really love it, and I will recommend to those girls who don't like wearing any foundation. So yeah, I'm just spreading it all over my face using my fingers. Next is for my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I will just cover my pimple marks and just to highlight my face. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. And I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind to prime my lids. And for my eyeshadow palette, Fashion 21, I'm just putting a white eyeshadow all over my lids. Taking this dark brown and putting all over my lids. Oh. Don't worry if there is harsh line. I'm using this fluffy brush to blend it all. Of course, to remove the harsh line and also to blend it well. Next is I'm going to use light brown shade just for more dimension. Blend, blend. Blending is the key. So yeah. And I tried creating this half cut crease but it's kinda failed, so sorry. So taking this brush to blend it all and taking this orange kinda I don't know. It's like an orange, but it's like light orange. Taking this MAC Burgundy ×9 and taking this shimmer. Yeah, so. And by the way, I tried to put falsies, but I failed, so yeah.
done. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye!